How to add Dunkin gift card to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add Dunkin gift card to Uber Eats. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ubereats.com. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in using your login credentials. Once you are in the homepage of Uber Eats, go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further select the wallet option, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Add Payment Method option under the Payment Methods tab. You will then be asked to select the provided option, so select the spend option in the options provided. Further, you will be able to see the gift card option. Tap on that, and in the enter your code text box, go ahead and enter your Dunkin gift card code. Make sure to enter the correct code, and now tap on the apply button, and with this your Dunkin gift card will be added successfully. So, this is how you can add Dunkin gift card to Uber Eats. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.